On Saturn's moon Titan, rain falls as methane, sculpting vast river networks across a world colder than Earth. Lakes of liquid methane shimmer under orange hazy skies, while winds sculpt dunes of gritty ice and hydrocarbons. The gravity is only about 1.4 times weaker than Earth, so jumps feel like graceful hops across a frozen sea. Scientists study Titan to learn about prebiotic chemistry and what life might look like on worlds with alien rain. From methane rivers to mystery skis, Titan reminds us that the solar system hosts surprises beyond our blue planet.